We'll guide you through how to add image and rectangle in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to enhance visuals in Wondershare Filmora by adding clean backgrounds or borders to images, making content look more professional, organized, and visually appealing for tutorials, social media, or branding purposes. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow along with the editing process smoothly. Once it is installed, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface appears on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a fresh workspace for your editing task. Next, click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project. Adjust the project size according to your needs, such as resolution and aspect ratio, then click OK to confirm the settings. After that, click Import. Select the image you want to use from your device, then click Open to bring it into the media library. Then click the plus icon on the image to add it to the timeline, so it appears in the preview window. Next, adjust the image size in the preview according to your needs by dragging the corners until it fits properly. Once the image is set, click the Drawing Tools icon, then select Rectangle from the available options. Create a rectangle slightly larger than the image so it can act as a background or border. Then adjust the position in the timeline so the image layer is placed above the rectangle layer. Readjust the position and alignment in the preview until it looks properly centered and balanced. After that, select the rectangle and go to the right panel to access the color settings. You can change the color to brown or any color you prefer to match your design. Next, to remove the white stroke, click the rectangle again. Go to the right panel, scroll down, and disable stroke so the border looks clean. After that, select both layers, right-click, then choose Create Compound Clip to combine them. You can adjust the name, for example Image 1, then click OK. It will automatically become a single layer in both the timeline and preview, making it easier to manage. Click the full screen icon to view the result more clearly.